To help you feel confident on your everyday travels, the all-new Corsair comes standard with a suite of driver assist technologies. Lincoln Co-Pilot360. It can help you prevent certain forward collisions, help detect and alert you to vehicles in your blind spot, help you stay in your lane, and monitor what's on the road, both ahead and behind you. For an even more confident driving experience, Corsair is also available with our most advanced driver assist features. Lincoln Co-Pilot360 Plus. Reverse brake assist can help stop the vehicle when backing up if a moving or stationary object is detected. Evasive steering assist helps avoid a collision with a slower or stopped vehicle ahead by providing you extra steering support when braking alone is not enough. Adaptive cruise control with traffic jam assist includes stop and go, lane centering, and speed sign recognition to help make driving less stressful. The speed sign recognition camera scans signs along the road and smoothly adjusts your speed to keep you within the limit. And when you reach your destination, Active Park Assist Plus removes the stress from parking by doing it for you. All you have to do is hold a button. All of these intuitive technologies help make Corsair more than just a vehicle. It's a partner on your daily journeys.